Your Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, Justin, we saw some snow in parts of mid-Michigan yesterday.
Yes, we
Any
did.
chance of more snowfall for this week?
As soon as tomorrow afternoon.
Oh my goodness.
Gianni. So yeah, it's coming in real fast ahead of the Thanksgiving travel plans. Now I think by Turkey Day, things will look much drier and warmer even around here than what we're going to see over the next day or so. Now we'll dive into that tonight. Right now, temps still sitting in the mid-30s outside over MSU. Look at Spartan Stadium tonight. Temps getting back up today into those mid-40s. We had plenty of 44s down the US 127 corridor. 46 was one of the warm spots in Charlotte and in Coldwater too. Now temps again have dialed back now into the upper 30s in a lot of spots, although St. John's has fallen far below most others, around 30 degrees there. Now cooler air continues to spill into the Great Lakes region. It'll continue to do so not only tonight but into the day tomorrow as well. That's why tomorrow we don't warm up too much. We'll have a rain-snow mixture to deal with. Most of the time that'll be falling as snow. This evening, not much to worry about. Skies are clearing out. We do cool down into the 20s before midnight. Past that, we have a little bit further to go. I think tonight we end up in those middle 20s. It'll be a cold night out there, light wind. It was lose that cloud cover. Not too much to keep us warm, quite at all. So we'll see temps below average tonight. Satellite radar shows those conditions clearing out now. And as we back out, we can see our next weather maker. It's down south and west of us. In this area, low pressure continues to build some of those rain and snow showers towards us as we head throughout the overnight tonight. Now, it doesn't get here tonight, but as Future Track shows, after we get through the midnight hour, these things continue to stay clear. Into tomorrow morning, could see some peaks of the sun, especially early in the day. By noon, we've got some of those snow showers already entering much of the western viewing area. That pushes on throughout much of the day. Now, we could see a mixture at times. You see this nice rain-snow line here on our Future Track. If that comes further north, we end up seeing a little more rain mix in with the snowflakes. Most folks won't see much in the way of accumulation. If anything does start to collect, it'll be on the typical grassy surfaces, or you'll end up some of the colder tabletops or porches out there for the most part. And you can see that as we head into the overnight, we have breaks where we're just cloudy, and then other breaks Tuesday night where we don't really see much happening. And then the rain comes in, especially by Wednesday morning. That pushes into the afternoon too. And I think especially late Wednesday it'll be much wetter out there. But at this point in time, it'll all be rain as temps will be back in the mid to upper 40s across the region. Before tonight, temperatures really cool off. I think even more than our model shows. It's got Lansing around 30, most other folks in the upper 20s. I think with the less cloud cover, we go a little cooler than that throughout the overnight. But by tomorrow, we're not able to warm up too much. Only mid 30s for a good portion of that day. It is the thing though, once we get to Tuesday night, this is about 9 o'clock, we're close to where our highs were for the day, and overnight into our early Wednesday morning, you see temps actually warm up into the 40s overnight, and that's how we'll start off our day on Wednesday. But for the planner for Tuesday, it's just some snow showers, mix at times, but it's mainly snow throughout the day. Again, not much in the way of accumulation, but you could see a little bit of some slushiness out on the pavement tomorrow. We'll call the high about 37 degrees. Some mixing, especially later on towards the evening as temperatures actually end up starting to warm up, but this is mostly a light snow shower event that takes place throughout the day tomorrow. Now, we do warm up towards Turkey Day. Wednesday, we're at 48 with the rain. Thursday, we do look dry for Thanksgiving, high close to 50. And Friday, not too bad a day either, in the upper 40s, partly cloudy. That's above normal. We stay above normal through our Saturday, maybe even Sunday too, but then we have another weather maker coming in on the tail end of the weekend ahead of some much cooler air, which arrives early next week. That's when we'll be starting to get towards December. And Monday's high right now only about 34 degrees. So the 40s only going to stick around for so long before we're back to reality.